So now I'm on something I'm super excited to try. They brought a little 4-stroke trials bike out, and man, do I ever want a trials bike, I tell you, real bad. So this one is a, what is this? It's a 4-stroke 300. It sure is weird getting used to, especially at speeds, but let's try this out here. See how fast this thing kind of goes. Oh, rough on that. Oh man. It actually goes pretty quick and forth. Third's like a nice little good trail riding gear, I guess. Dodge this mud hole, save their trials bike from getting completely muddy. So this is kind of interesting because I've only ridden a trials bike for about 10-20 minutes once before. And I just played around on like a log with it, and I was very curious to see how they would be on the trails, because as somebody who really wants one, and I'm going to buy one, I think it'll be a perfect complement to a 300. Something nice to oh shoot, forgot I don't have a seat. Something nice to just play around on. And but I was curious about how it would be on single track. And this is actually super fun. Like just popping off stuff. Obviously you can't go super quick or anything, but man, this is cool. How fun is this? One thing I'm feeling right away here too is super comfortable almost immediately. Yeah, just really comfortable. It feels pretty natural, like to just kind of stand on, and the gripping with my feet, it's not really weird, not pinching anything with my knees. There obviously is no seat on this, but yeah, this is super fun. So when I get out into this field here, kind of gonna maybe try a couple of pivot turns out of the sight of people, so if I was to fall over, you don't get laughed at. But yeah, man, this is fun. Try this log here. For being like not totally comfortable on a bike, It feels really good. Like really good. Man, I love this thing. Oh, this is just so dangerous. I mean, a lot of you guys watching this probably can relate, but man, when you get on something like this, it sure makes you want to just go throw caution to the wind and go ahead and throw one of these things on the old Visa. But I've done that too much lately. So I'm just gonna mess around in this field here for a minute. Just kind of get a more of a feel of what the trials bike is more used for. So I'm just gonna mess around on this log. It's super easy to wheelie, obviously. I don't really know what to say about this because I don't really know much or have any experience with trials. This is pretty much doubling my total amount of hours on a trials bike right now, so but man, this is fun. It's super, oh my god, I just don't know what else to say other than this thing's really fun. Let's try the old nose wheelie here. Man, I want one of these so bad to just practice some of these skills on. Because obviously they transfer over really nicely to a bigger enduro bike. See how this thing handles the whoops. A little soft. But this is just phenomenal feeling. I'm loving this. I honestly don't really want to give this back to them. Maybe I'll just ride this into the back of the old van and call her good. Take off. Kidding, of course. Oh, that is just nothing but a good time on this thing. I'm loving this. Yeah, not ready to give this back yet. Too much fun here. Mess around in this little campsite here. I'm gonna try a pivot turn. So I'm in second gear, and oh, this is just so much fun. Try this over this rock here and then I'll take it back. Maybe. Oh, it's just, I feel like I could ride over anything on this bike. Yeah, I need one. This is too much fun. Oh man, so I can see if anybody else wants to ride this.